guys, welcome to today's vlog. Setting up, I'm going to be on a radio show, the local show here for Destination Salem radio show. I've talked about Destination Salem a few times on my channel and I'm really excited, so I'm gonna get set up and wish me luck on this interview. Hey guys, update. I think last I spoke with you, I had just finished the radio interview. I'll probably try to link it because I think it's also going up as like a podcast too. So we had to get COVID tested for the Halloween party this weekend. I don't remember if I said any of that, but we just walked downtown, got our COVID test. It was the rapid testing. I'm negative. Can't tell you if Joe's positive or negative.
I'm negative.
We were downtown, and then tonight we have to record for the Horror Squad podcast. We are reviewing Halloween Kills. We grabbed some dinner from our favorite Essex Pizza. We're on our way home right now. It's a nice warm day right now. Kind of sweating, not gonna lie.
40 degree, I'm freezing in the morning and then it's hot in the afternoon.
That's like my favorite.
And it turns into fall in the evening.
Yeah, I like the mornings and the evenings because it's fall. In the afternoon, it kind of feels a little too much like spring. Is anyone watching the new Chucky's series? So far I've seen the first episode and have liked it. This little confetti Halloween cup. I got this at Walgreens. It's pretty festive. So we're gonna eat dinner and then we're rewatching Halloween Kills because like I mentioned before, we're reviewing it for the podcast tonight. We saw it last week, which you guys have seen in the last vlog. Finally found the Monster Mash cereal. Pretty excited about it. Joe's like a cereal monster. You haven't even finished these Cheerios.
No, I'm excited.
I'm surprised there's still some left. We also got chocolate chip cookies from Essex and continuing eating like garbage. We got cheese fries. We're gonna eat and watch Halloween Kills and I'll catch up with you guys later. It's a little bit later, but we are getting ready to record for the Horror Squad podcast. Sometimes I try not to drink like caffeine at night, but sometimes I do. Coffee or an energy drink, I can't decide. Oh, this is nice and cold. I think I'm gonna do this. We're rating the Halloween franchise, like our favorite movies. So if you're up for it, comment below and let me know how you would rate all of the movies in the franchise. Hi guys, sorry that the light is so bright right now and the lighting looks bad, but it's kind of dark in my room and I'm just using my ring light. Some quick makeup. What's today? It is Thursday. So last night we recorded the Horror Squad podcast. Usually we record on Monday nights and then our episodes go up Friday. We had to reschedule, so that's why we recorded later in the week. Normally I go to Michelle's house to record for my other podcast that I do with her, which is called Let's Not. I'm like, check out this podcast, check out this one, check out my channel, check out my Instagram. It's like, is it too much? So Michelle and I became friends because we used to work together here in Salem. When we had time to talk, we would always just talk about like the funniest stuff and she just would crack me up. I'm like, I told her this in person or text? I can't remember. You know when you just click with someone that you work with? It's like your work bestie, you know what that type, like you have those people. But she made me laugh so much and she's like, just wanted to let you know it's been great working with you, blah, blah. Like maybe our paths will keep us together or maybe they'll separate us, but I just want you to know I've really enjoyed working with you. And I was like, oh my god, she loves me, like we're gonna be friends. And I remember messaging her and I was like Michelle, I was like, I'm about to get emotional. Ooh, okay, we're not about to get emotional because Michelle's probably watching this on her TV. Michelle, I was like, I really enjoyed working with you. I was like, thank you so much for making me laugh. Like, it has been so long since I've laughed like that. Ooh, I don't know why I'm getting emotional. Like back in Kansas with Crystal, who I miss so much, I was able to be myself with her, like my true self. That's just so special when you can find a friend like that. Oh, not me crying trying to do my makeup. Anyways, but I feel like I can be that with Michelle, so I really appreciate her. Well, anyways, so normally I go to Michelle's house and she lives like in Amesbury, which is, it's not far from me here, but you do gotta drive a little bit. Usually I'll hang out there for most of the day. Maybe we'll watch like a Housewives or something after we finish recording. But today I gotta go look for a costume for the Halloween party. I don't care if we just record over Zoom, but we're talking about some crazy stuff, like some bizarre stuff that has actually happened on Halloween. I decided to get, because we were out of coffee, which if you follow me on Instagram, I was talking about the McCafe coffee. It's really good. And so I went ahead and got another box. I opted to get the McCafe over the Starbucks blonde roast, which is my absolute favorite, but I've really enjoyed this. It's been like a nice change. Topic. Let's not. It reminds me of that guy that went viral when he was doing like the Zoom call, the cat filter on his face. He's like, I am here. I'm not really a cat. I'm not a cat, sir. Cannot decide what I want to do with my desk again, guys. Is it pointless, you know? Currently at the costume shop. We are at Joker's Wilds. They have like this cool Halloween inflatable. Hopefully we can find a costume. So we're at Spirit Halloween looking for a wig. Looking for a wig for Joe.
You get the long bob, but no.
Yeah, but it doesn't have bangs.
It has bangs, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit longer, but
You can maybe cut it on me if you want.
oh, I gotta work. You gonna pay me for that haircut?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, guys. I think I'm probably gonna wrap up the vlog here. I haven't started editing yet, so I don't really know what all I've gotten, and I spilled my coffee on my computer. The coffee got on my keyboard, so the keyboard's not working. I've been messing with it, but I think I'm gonna have to take it in to get repaired maybe. I don't know, I've never done that with Apple, so I don't really know how that works. But I was filming on my camera and a little bit on my phone because I need to clear my memory card because it's full right now and it's the only one I have. So all of the footage in this vlog has been on my camera or cell phone, and I don't really know like what all I've had. I think I just started yesterday and the day before doing the interview maybe, and then the podcast, and then podcasting with Michelle, and then the costume shop kind of. So I got my costume. You guys will probably know what it is by the time you see this vlog because the party's this weekend. I don't know when this is going up. That's one thing I'm excited about, is to get like on a schedule of when I can post and know like when I'm talking to you in the vlog when it's going up. I know there's some people out there who like watching vlogs, and I'm not saying necessarily on my channel, I haven't seen this comment, but a lot of people like vlogs when they're more current. But I'm like, well, what does it matter? It's still the same thing. It's just that you know what the date is. Like a lot of the people could just say, oh, this happened yesterday, but it was really a week ago, you know? Like, so wouldn't you rather than be honest about it? I don't know. What is it? What do you guys think? Let me know. I need to go to the post office. I have Crystal's package I need to send off. I have a package for Shiloh if you're watching. And then I have a package for my friend Ashley. Everyone's gonna get it after Halloween, I'm sure. The post office has just been so backed up, you know? It's crazy. Just washed my hair last night, and And I don't think I washed the conditioner out very well. Also, I got the news that someone made a fake account for my giveaway that I was doing on Instagram. I don't know. I'm just so used to people being like that it's like doesn't even bother me anymore. Well, what the heck? Like they literally copied everything off my Instagram. So I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can get a fresh start on the new one. Hopefully I will figure my computer out and be able to get back to my camera. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Posting after Halloween too. So if you like Halloween lifestyle and stuff, like we'll be doing Creepmas. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.